cell phones, tablets, solid-state drives. These are examples of solid-state media. When solid-state media has reached the end of its useful life, it must be decommissioned with the security of the onboard data in mind. To prevent your private data from falling into untrustworthy hands, one must destroy the information containing memory chips. Many industrial machines exist in the market today which are designed to shred solid-state media. However, a real danger lies in the introduction of whole cell phones and whole tablets into shredders. This is because the internal lithium-ion batteries contain corrosive materials that are highly combustible. The potential to ignite is magnified when punctured and crushed by the grinding teeth of a shredder. The CR-4KR can reduce your risk of fire and expedite the process of cracking open cell phones and tablets to separate the memory-containing chips from the batteries. Once separated, the batteries can be safely stored and disposed of in a fireproof manner. Then, the memory chips can be shredded, even to the National Security Agency's recommended sand-like texture to eliminate the risk of your information falling into the wrong hands. The remaining components can be sold for scrap, harvested for precious metals, or recycled. One of a kind in the market, the CR-4KR device is small enough to fit on a tabletop, plus it's easy to operate. Push buttons control the amount of pressure applied to crack open the cell phone or tablet, and the chamber adjusts to accommodate a wide range of media dimensions. This device is designed and built in the United States by Data Security Incorporated. For more information, visit datasecurityinc.com or call 1-800-225-7554.